Hello friends, in this video we can see how to record the PC or desktop screen recorder while we doing the some work or anything. So in this process I'm using the free Cam 8. So we can search here. So if we can select this option and download this, it's a free software friends. In this process, in this software, we can use the crop the only some area. When we doing the record, we can crop, we can select the only which area we need to record, and it once it will be start here. And if you want to the full screen, we can make the full screen. If you want the off screen, we can make the off screen video recording, and this is the best option too in this application. Here we have to the silence mode, trim and remove the noise also options is here friends. So editing also is very easy process, and we can directly upload to the YouTube also, and or else we need to save the some our data we can also save. So it's a free app friends, and it's the best app. Even I am using this app, and this video also recording using this app friends. Try once, it's a better option other than that. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video friends.